After this, next preparation from hydrocarbons. We know hydrocarbons may be saturated or unsaturated. That's a common task. And again, saturated, they contain single bonds. Saturated contain single bonds and undergo substitution reaction. Unsaturated contain multiple bond and they undergo addition reaction. That's your saturated hydrocarbons. It undergo free radical substitution reaction, leads to the formation of chloroethane, replacement of hydrogen with halogen atom. Again, hydrogen undergo chlorination, it is HCl. But it's unsaturated hydrocarbon, it undergo addition reaction. That is, pi bond breaks and the halogen molecule, one of them attacks on right side and another on left side of unsaturation. CH2, single bond CH2. Cl, Cl. And remember, it is your vicinal dihalide. Vicinal dihalide, when two halogens are in link with adjacent carbon atoms. One is geminal dihalide. Again, dihalide means two halogen. It is common, both of them have two halogen. It is geminal. Two halogens are in link with identical carbon atom. It is called geminal halide. It's a saturated substitution, unsaturated addition. After this, students, next, that's the important. I use the term, it is unsaturated, so it undergo addition reaction. Double bond dissociates, one of the chlorine attacks on right side of unsaturation and another on left side of unsaturation, because that's your homoatomic molecule. No possibility of Marconi-Krebs rule. CH3, CH, CH2. Unsaturation breaks, adjacent unsaturated carbons, they are stabilized by halogen atoms. Again, it is vicinal dihalide. But students, when we do chlorination, that is halogenation, in the presence of sunlight, or most probability it is mentioned 773 Kelvin. Same reaction, alkene with chlorine, but not under normal condition at 773 Kelvin temperature. It undergoes allylic substitution reaction. Only that's the reaction of alkene which is substitution nature. It is called allylic substitution reaction because in chemistry this group is called as allyl group. CH2 double bond CH, it is vinyl. When it is in link with one more carbon, it is called allyl group. It is called allylic substitution reaction because in this case allyl free radical is formed if we study the mechanism, and allyl free radical, it is stabilized by resonance. That's allyl free radical, it is stabilized by resonance. One of the electron migrate to this position, one of the this position. Now adjacent carbon, they carry unpaired electron, that is leads to a formation of bond. CH2 double bond CH, CH2 not. Same. Allylic substitution reaction will proceed. What will happen, students? From alpha carbon, that is carbon atom adjacent to unsaturation, substitute its hydrogen with halogen atom. Now the product is this one. Remember, may be simple or complex compound whenever the condition is chlorination or bromination, either 773 Kelvin, or in cyclic compounds it may be mentioned sunlight. Remember, replace hydrogen from alpha carbon, allylic substitution reaction, plus HCl. That's also in the exercise of NCERT books related to this. Please do. After this, next, again unsaturated hydrocarbon, that is undergo addition reaction, but the addition is of HBr. It's heteroatomic, non-polar. It's of polar nature. That is positive end and negative end. Positive end and negative end. It's unsymmetrical alkene, students. Now we will study Marconi-Krebs rule and anti-Marconi-Krebs rule, also called peroxide effect. That's your homoatomic molecule. It's heteroatomic, containing two different poles, positive and negative. Students, whenever peroxide is mentioned, we will follow anti-Marconi-Krebs rule. And except peroxide, any solvent is mentioned, either DCM, dichloromethane, CCl4, ethanol, we all time go with respect to Markovnikov's rule. Remember, we will go with anti-Markovnikov's rule only when peroxide is mentioned. And this reaction proceed only with HBr. HF, HCl, HBr, HI. Which halogen acid participate in anti-Markovnikov's rule? Again, your answer is HBr. Again, students, clear. It's unsaturated. Unsaturation dissociates. Positive part goes to that double bonded carbon containing more hydrogen atoms, and negative part goes to that double bonded carbon containing less hydrogen atoms. Complete it. Now HBr peroxide. Addition to unsymmetrical alkene in the presence of peroxide. Positive part goes to that double bonded carbon containing less hydrogen atoms, and vice versa. Negative part with containing more hydrogen atoms. Please complete and also write the terms Markovnikov's rule, anti-Markovnikov's rule. Addition to unsymmetrical alkene, positive part joins with unsaturated carbon containing more hydrogen atoms and vice versa. Simple definition. Anti-Markovnikov's rule, addition to unsymmetrical alkene in the presence of peroxide. Peroxide should be in the term. Statement में peroxide जरूर होना चाहिए. That's the essential part. Addition to unsymmetrical alkene in the presence of peroxide, positive part goes to that double bonded carbon containing less hydrogen atoms and vice versa. After this last one, halogen exchange reactions. Because in halogenation we proceed with chlorination or bromination all times. We don't do with fluorination. Because the reaction is highly exothermic and explosive in nature. In the same way, we don't go with iodination. In iodination, one of the product is HI. And all of you know it is strong reducing agent, convert any compound, not only haloalkane, any compound back to alkanes. We have studied these reactions plus HI. Strong reducing agent, it is complete reduction, it will give propane. CH3, CH2, CH3 plus water plus I2. CH3COOH. Again, complete reduction, strong reducing agent. It's contained 2 carbon atoms, the product is ethane plus water plus I2. So we generally go with chlorination or bromination. Fluorination or bromination. Fluorination and iodination are not carried out. The reasons mentioned: highly exothermic, explosive nature. HI being strong reducing agent, convert back into the alkane. So Schwarz reaction and halogen exchange reaction, and Fink-Callistine reaction, again halogen exchange reaction. Schwarz reaction, students, halogen exchange reaction in which halogen atom is replaced by fluoro group. That's your double displacement reaction. Please do with yourself. The product is C2H5F and AgBr. Fink-Callistine reaction, again halogen exchange reaction in which halogen atom is replaced by iodo group. Again, please proceed by yourself. And the reaction is carried in acetone. Solvent acetone is used for Fink-Callistine reaction. Replace these halogen atoms. That's all. Tomorrow we will start from chemical properties. So please revise daily at home. So you should have good command on organic chemistry. Thank you.